Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Barbara.
And we're Wicky Design.
And today we're going to answer the question, will you help me after my website has launched? The answer is absolutely yes. We can help you with that. If you need to make updates, we do provide training videos for all of our clients after a website is launched, so you know exactly how to make those updates. So you can go in anytime, update your blog, update your content or your images. But if you'd rather have us do it, or if there's something that's a little more technical that you need done to your website, we can offer help with that. And I'm going to let Mark talk about our new maintenance packages.
Yeah, so there's going to be a link below to our new maintenance page. And basically, the more hours you purchase, the cheaper the rate is for us to go in and make any customizations that you need. So we get requests like, can you help with some SEO work, page speed optimization? A big one is like, can you help install this plugin, connect it to, my systems, whatever it may be. That stuff that's not in the training videos, we can definitely help you afterwards.
Yeah, those credits can be used for anything, and the good thing about them is that they never expire. So if you buy a 10-hour package and you only use 5 hours at this one particular time, you can use those credits a year from now and they'll still be good. So you can buy as many credits as you want and just use them whenever you need them. So we try to make it very flexible and very easy for our clients to get things done.
Yeah, and I would definitely add to, we added this because, people a lot of times need additional help outside. So we're definitely here to help you if you need those additional edits to your website.
So that was the answer to today's question. Come back tomorrow for another video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel because we're uploading videos all the time, and ring the bell to receive notifications whenever we do post a new video. Thanks, bye.
Bye.